Hello, I'm the Russian Fazbear. I remember it so you don't have to. And today we have a Casablanca Four Seasons in white and brass with Slumber Quiet. This ceiling fan dates to April of 1982. And it has a nice brass four-way light on it and the short 36-inch blades. Let's have a closer look at it. Then these shades I added myself, but the fixture itself, I'm not really sure what it is. The K4 something probably came with it when I got it from Matt Cody. Yep, the white 36-inch blade span. No stencil or cane, unfortunately. It's on an LCA. There's the Slumber Quiet speed control and all that other good stuff. And this fan is installed in the dark depths of this hallway here, in between the cane bridge and the other Four Seasons. That Four Seasons I videoed a few months back when it had 48-inch cane blades on it, but I put another set of 36-inch white plane on them because I wanted these two fans to match. If I had two sets of white cane and 36-inch, I would totally put them both on here, but unfortunately I don't. So, just gonna have to make do with what we got. Okay. So, there's the light. And it is rather dark in the hallway, so I think I'm going to demonstrate the fan with the light on so you can see it a little better. First, make sure this thing is, turned down all the way. Alright. We'll start the fan off on low. And yes, the Slumber Quiet does work. I'm yet to actually own a Slumber Quiet fan where the Slumber Quiet is failing. I may have mentioned this in another video, but yeah. I have, I think, 8 Slumber Quiet fans, and yeah, not a single one of them is failing. One of them might be just a little bit, but it might be something completely different. I don't know. Because, I mean, it's still, has a wide range of speeds. It's just a little noisy, and sometimes the fan just, stops running for no good reason. But that is not the case with this one. This one is perfectly fine. Speed it up a bit there. I have noticed I have been making a lot of Slumber Quiet Casablanca videos lately. This fan, the other Four Seasons, the Zephyr, the Victorian, and I actually have another SQ Zephyr with a bell canopy on the docket for filming as well. So, yeah, making a lot of these. Well, I do have some Fascos and some originals on the docket as well, so we'll get some variety going. There you have like a medium-ish speed. And then there's, a medium-high-like speed. And then full speed. And yeah, this thing tears on high. With the little blades and the powerful K55, it's no slouch. Put the light back on. Yeah, I can see on the camera the frame rate isn't even completely picking up how fast those blades are moving. And yeah, it's blowing a ton of air in this little space. Something I'd love to do is, with this Four Seasons and the other one in the bathroom, do like a dual install somewhere. Maybe in like a kitchen or a hallway or something. I think that'd look really good. Let's get another close-up. Oh, on the tripod. And I'll turn it off. And the spin down time is in the middle. It's longer than the other Four Seasons, but still not too terribly long. Bearings are pretty good though. It's out of focus. There we go. Yeah, bearings are pretty good, pretty quiet. Very nice fan overall. Yeah, so that's just about all there is to say. This is another Casablanca Four Seasons 36-inch Slumber Quiet in white and brass. Alright, I'm the Russian Fazbear, and hey, wait a minute. Next month's January. You know what that means! Monte Carlo month!